Hi guys, so today we are gonna test some products from REM Beauty because it is available now at our Sephora here in Romania. So if you are curious about that, please keep on watching. So I do have the very popular highlighter in here, but I bought it in the green shade and I'm very excited. And then I have two products for eyes. I do have the liquid eyeshadow and the metallic gel shadow, and then I did recently purchased this lipstick. It is the Smooth Whip from NYX, and I have a lip liner, and I think I have a new mascara as well to test. So not the full face but some products, but mostly I am very interested in the new REM Beauty products. So I already have most of my base done. I will list down below everything that I have on my face and everything that I'm gonna use in this video. But let's apply some blush because I do have some bronzer, but I am missing some blush. And I very recently got this brush. It is from Sephora, and I actually got this one and the mascara as a gift because I got my gold card from Sephora and I am so excited. I actually got the card with these two products in a very beautiful box. It is right there. It is a black box from Sephora, and I am happy to have the gold card. Today we are gonna use this cream blush from Fenty. It is the shade Rosé Latte, and I really like this brush for foundation and for cream products, for bronzer and blush. So I did blend my bronzer today with this brush, and it is a very dense brush, but it is still a bit fluffy, so you can blend with it as well. And it is pretty similar to the Sigma one, but the Sigma one, it is a bit angled, but they are pretty similar. I would say that the Sephora one is a bit denser, but they are both really good brushes for foundation and for cream products. I do recommend both of them. And on top of the cream blush, I'm putting Warm Soul from MAC, and I'm gonna blend with the sponge in just a second. Okay, so that is done. Let's apply this green highlighter. I am so excited. It looks something like this. The packaging is very shiny, and it is called Mama Earth, and I am so excited. So let's take a clean brush. This is an Real Techniques setting brush, but I really like it for highlighter. Let's apply a bit more. I am curious if it will be too green. You can see that it is a green highlighter, and I do have just a bit of cast right here, so maybe I'm gonna apply a bit more in this area and blend in here. It is a dark cast right there. I don't know if you can see it. So maybe this highlighter is for somebody with a deeper skin tone than mine, but it is a very unique highlighter and I do enjoy it. But let's apply for this cheek on this part mostly. Okay, so this is the highlighter. I think it looks really beautiful and it is a unique shade. I just prefer this side because I applied in here in this area just a bit too much, and it has just a bit of a darker base, but I could make it work. So I think it will be a very unique and beautiful highlighter in my collection. So I am happy that I got the green shade because it is something that I don't have in my collection. Let's apply a bit of eye primer. Even though we have liquid shadows to test, I want to have a matte base, so we will use a palette first just to do some matte shadows, and then I'm gonna do the ones from REM Beauty because I do have two shimmery shades and I want some mattes first. So I decided to use this palette. This is the Viseart Petits Force in Violetta. I really like this palette. We are gonna take a reference number 1 and this shade in here. And I'm gonna put this one into the crease. We are gonna do just a very simple eye. Okay, so the first shade is done. Let's apply this one just in the outer edge here and into the lower lash, just to have some dimension. Okay, the mattes are done, so let's talk about the shimmery shades. So the gel eyeshadow, the one that is metallic, it is called Affirmation, and it looks something like this. I'm gonna swatch it. It is like a pink with some silver and purple shimmers. A pretty reflective shade. And then the other one that I have, it is the liquid eyeshadow, and it is called Lab Coat. Let's swatch that one as well. This one is a topper, and I'm a bit sad that I decided to pick this shade. I don't know why I picked two similar shades. They're not very similar, but they had some colorful shades as well, so I don't know why I didn't pick a colorful one. But if I really like this formula, maybe I'm gonna choose something more colorful. So this is the other shade, and this one is like a peachy red topper, but it is transparent base. So let's see. I'm gonna apply here the gel metallic one, and then maybe we are gonna put the other one in the inner corner and on top of the metallic one. So let's see how that looks. Okay, this one doesn't have a very strong base either, but maybe we can build it up just a bit. And now it is dry on my hand, but it is still leaving some shimmers behind. So let's put the other one just a bit on top and into the inner corner and see how it looks. I'm gonna use the applicator for that. This one for sure moved the product underneath, and it looks a bit not great. As you can see, it is patchy right here. So I will test it, of course, a lot more and see if I put too much, or maybe I need to use a brush, or maybe I don't need to put both of these on my eyes. I need to test it more, but at this moment I prefer the metallic gel one. So I was able to blend it and it looks better right now, but it's not my favorite shadow, and for sure I could get this effect and this look with normal powder shadows. So these are not my favorite, at least not for now. So for sure I'm gonna use them more and update you in a future speed review, because the REM products were actually first impressions. But let's use this mascara now. This is the second time I'm using it. It is the Sephora Size Up mascara, and I do like this one over the other mascara that I tested from Sephora, because this is a volumizing mascara. This is the one, as you can see, it is an hourglass shaped one, and let's apply it. This mascara, it is pretty wet, so I think I will love it more in like a month, but it looks pretty good. So this is one coat. And these are two coats of mascara, so it looks pretty good. It is pretty volumizing. I do like a volumizing mascara, so I think I will enjoy this one. This one, it is a really nice one. The other one was great as well, but it was a lengthening mascara, which is not my favorite type of mascara. This one looks really nice. So let's do lips. I did remove the lip gloss that I had, so now we are gonna use the Line Loud lip liner from NYX, And I have in here the Gold Crusher shade. And then we are gonna use this one. I did use it like 3 times and I love it. It is the Smooth Whip Matte Lip Cream from NYX. So the other formula that is very popular from NYX, it is the Soft Matte Lip Creams. This is a matte lip cream. So it is so nice. You will see on my lips, it is very smoothing and it looks great. I really like it. I don't understand why I decided on this lip liner. It is very light compared to the lipstick, but I really love this one. This shade, it is called Memory Foam and it is so beautiful. I really like this lipstick, and it is a matte formula, but it's a comfortable matte. It is very smoothing and it wears pretty good, but it's not a full dry and crusty lipstick. It's not like the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick. I do like that formula, but this one is more comfortable, and I think this formula should be or will be one of my favorites. It is so beautiful, and I could see myself buying other shades from this line because it is a beautiful formula. I really like it. And this is the final look. Do I want to put lashes on? I think not. I will be pretty lazy today and I'm not gonna put lashes on. So let's do a quick roundup. The mascara, it looks beautiful. I am very happy to have it, and I think it is a good volumizing mascara. I don't think it beats the Rare Beauty one. That one is more dramatic than this one, but it is more affordable and it looks really nice. So this is a pretty good mascara. The lipstick I really love. It is a really nice one. I could already recommend it. The highlighter looks really beautiful, and you can see that it is a green highlighter. I really like it. I knew that this formula is very popular and I could see why. It is very stunning and it is a unique shade, which I really appreciate. For the eye products, I am not sure yet because the eyelids seem a bit crusty, so it's not my favorite formula, but I'm gonna test them more and see which one has problems and ways to make them work, because I do have them in my collection, so I want to make them work, and I'm gonna let you know in a future speed review. This brush is great as well. I can already recommend it. It is a pretty good brush. So like I said, I will list down below everything that I used today and everything that I had on my face. So if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I'll see you next time.